So yeah, she had to start
I had to
over.
restart. Oh, so I'm sorry, guys. Also,
It wasn't my
these
fault.
sardines.
So let's do that thing.
Let's do it. Okay, the first one is starting. Is my stepsister's gonna taste this first.
Who my vault sees? Yes.
So this kind of very
Oh, Gabby, don't put your head on that pillow tonight.
so
I'm gonna just soak the grease out of it first. Oh, Gabby, get your water bottle ready.
I know I have it open already.
Mine is open.
So I'm only taking a little piece because I really don't like sardines. I don't think so. Never tasted them before. So let's do that. Okay, I haven't done it, but let's do this. This time. Did a sardine just drop into my water bottle? No, it didn't drop, but here I go. This is kind of horrible. I kind of like them, but not
I kind of like it.
I kind of like it, but
I like chewing it.
When I got to the last taste, it got kind of
nasty. So this time I'm gonna actually let you guys watch me do this. So let's do that.
So I'm doing this.
I do that. This is what people call the vlogger. You only do this stuff for the views.
I do this for my fans, not the views.
So we're doing this for the fans and the views. I'm taking the time.
I want this to get about 10 likes.
I want this to get like
10 likes, please. Please, because I don't have much time to vlog every day. And if you watch the Darnt Twins Martinez Twins, my last name is Martinez, so subscribe to Martinez Twins and me. So, enjoy. Is that a bone? Okay, I just opened.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think I see a bone in. Oh my god.
You guys, it didn't work out.
I found a bone.
She found the spine.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this time.
So you guys, she found the spine in it.
So, I'm doing this for you guys.
Just know we did this for you guys.
We did this for you guys. Not to be selfish. Okay. Second time.
I'm never eating sardines in my life. I'm sorry, Gabby, but this vlog is over. Just kidding, guys. We're going to time-lapse this so then you guys can watch us clean our room. We don't have really that much of a mess. Let me show you. We just have this, and she has that one corner, and I have this in the closet. Oh, let's see. Oh my god, Gabby. Come on, chew it. Chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it. If you chew yours, I'll eat one on your vlog. So now I'm gonna do one on her vlog now, you guys. So I'm back, y'all. She's gonna take over my vlog right now. Oh, okay, Gabby, move your hand. So you guys, I'm gonna eat it for her.
So, Madison has been eating some sardines on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. If you don't know what my channel name is, it's Gabrielle Martin. Okay? So,
if you don't know.